Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Efua, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to add captions to your YouTube videos, your Reels and TikTok videos like this using your phone. So let's get started. The first thing to do is to open the CapCut app and upload the video in which you want to add your captions to. So the next step is to click on the text icon and click on Auto Captions. Next, click on Original Sound and click on Start. And it will automatically generate the captions from your video. And these are the captions across the bottom of the video. You see, they look very small. They can be adjusted. You can also style them and add color to them. So to adjust them, click on one of the captions and click on Batch Edit. You get to see all the captions here. They have some minor errors. So let's go through and correct them. So let's do that. So after we are done correcting all the errors, we can resize our text, and also we can position it wherever we want to. So let's place it in the center. We can change our font here by clicking on Font. There are a lot of options to choose from. So choose whatever works best for you. Let's go with this one, Prompt. We can also style our text by clicking on Style here. Also with the style, there are lots of options to choose from, so choose what works best for you. So let's go with the yellow one. We can also add animation. But let's stick with the original. So the next thing to do is to apply all your edits. Click on the check mark here to apply. Because we clicked on Batch Edit, you see it applied the same edits to all the captions. So some of the captions are out of frame, so you can adjust them individually and make sure they are all in the frame. So you can also style your captions individually. So let's click on this. You can add emojis. So you can also highlight this text and style it. You can choose any of the effects here. So you can go through all your captions and customize it however you want to. Just make sure you make it engaging. So when you are done, you can click on this icon to preview your video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.